All right, guys, well, this is kind of just gonna melt into one video. We're back out. This is a different day. Last time we had to run around and do some stuff, so we got to the timing belt. Wow. And now we're going to get that pulled off, get the timing belt pulled off and everything cleaned up, so continue on making our video for you on how to do this step by step, and I'm gonna get to it.
Freaking power steering fluid, gear oil, engine oil. Ugh.
So we got it pretty much pulled apart. The belt's off, as you can see. I'm gonna need some air to pull these guys off. Now the belt wasn't terrible because it was done like, what do we say, 30,000
miles ago.
But 30,000 miles, but 15 years ago? 16 years ago?
Yep.
So that's a while. So that's why we decided to do it again, get a good peace of mind. But the belt was okay. It wasn't like some of the ones I've seen that are just terrible. But what we're seeing is all the seals are leaking.
Yep.
I mean, I would think the water pump probably leaked a little bit because there's a lot of rust down there. And then, I mean, there's oil. We found some oil over here, oil over here. So even if it's mileage, like that's where I say that the length of time comes in and all these seals will go bad and start leaking and just give you problems. So it's good even if it's in the mileage, but it's been almost 2 decades, probably go ahead and do it. So that's where we're at. It's pretty off. Honestly, it's not that bad. It's just a matter, it's like a puzzle, just taking the pieces off. Because Luke, what do you think? Like,
it's not that bad. We delegated a bunch of time and we took our time. There was like, the worst part was getting the
harmonic balancer off there.
The harmonic balancer. That was the worst part. Other than that, it's Legos. Just pull it apart, take your time, make sure you put everything, you know, in its little area. And if you're new at this, you know, just really take your time.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
On Instagram. I know everybody has been doing that lately, so appreciate that. Appreciate everybody subscribing. But yeah, you know, it's just a matter of taking it off. And look how much the engine opens up, the engine bay opens up. So it's cramped, but it's not that cramped.
It's not that bad.
We're gonna label up some stuff. I'll show you what we have going on right here for labels. We've got our muffin tray trick, and then Luke's really got some nice labeling system going on here. And we've got our parts shelf. So we just have everything laid out. It's super easy, super organized. We'll put these bolts up, label them. We've got all of our new parts over here labeled and organized. And get this car back on the road for Luke, because I know it's been like a couple weeks and
I want to drive my car, man.
Yeah, it's nice outside and we're in Idaho, so she's only get a little bit of that.
Yeah.
So, but that's where we're at today. I think we'll button this up and then probably kind of wrap this section up of behind the scenes video. And as you can see, we have some fancy lights. These are Luke's because I don't have anything that fancy. And get on with it. So, bam.
Just cleaning up the front of the engine right now, getting it kind of, I guess,
Cleaned up.
Sort of respectable.
The oil pump's looking good. Getting all that gasket maker off there.
Yep, getting that gasket all taken care of. It's looking clean.
It's looking good. We're gonna have to grab, like I said, air gun to take these bolts out. We'll do that next time, and let Luke get that cleaned up. Yep. And then we'll get this thing put back together. Should be coming out pretty quick, but I think we're gonna call it a night on that. So see you later, Luke.
Later.
Look at those gauges glow. Back in the 350Z to end this video. Thanks for watching. We'll keep pressing forward on that, making the other video, and getting that timing belt done for our friend Luke there.